7 Best Natural Drinks to Detox Your Kidneys and Boost Your Health. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's crucial for your overall well-being, your kidneys, and more specifically, how you can support and detoxify them naturally through the power of drinks. Yes, you heard it right. We have 7 amazing drinks that will help detox your kidneys, enhance your energy, and may even assist in avoiding dialysis in the future. Imagine waking up every morning feeling cleaner, more energized, and refreshed, all because you've been supporting your kidneys with these natural drinks. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around because what we have to share might just change your life. Before we dive into the details, if you find our tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It only takes a moment but helps us a lot in growing our community. We love bringing you simple, easy to follow tips for better health, so don't miss out on joining us in this journey. Let's get into it. Your kidneys play a vital role in keeping your body clean and balanced, filtering out toxins, and maintaining fluid levels. However, with time and exposure to toxins, they may need some help. While these drinks are not miracle solutions, they contain natural ingredients that can support your kidneys' natural detox processes. But remember, always consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. Now, let's get started with the list of the 7 drinks that can help keep your kidneys healthy and detoxed, starting from number 7 all the way to number 1. 7. Cucumber and mint water. Let's kick off with a drink that is as refreshing as it is effective, cucumber and mint water. This simple drink is not only hydrating but also provides a gentle detox for your kidneys. To make this drink, all you need are a fresh cucumber and a few mint leaves. Wash the cucumber thoroughly, slice it into thin pieces, and add it to a jug of water. Toss in a handful of fresh mint leaves, and you're done. The natural flavors of the cucumber and mint will blend together, offering a crisp, cooling drink. Drinking cucumber and mint water throughout the day helps flush out toxins, supports hydration, and provides your kidneys with a gentle cleanse. It's an enjoyable way to stay hydrated while giving your body a little extra support. So, why not make this part of your daily routine? 6. Lemon and ginger water. Next on our list is a timeless favorite that's loved by many, lemon and ginger water. This drink is powerful, yet natural, and helps detoxify your kidneys while giving your digestive system a boost. To prepare, simply squeeze the juice of 1 fresh lemon into a glass of water. Then, grate or thinly slice a small piece of fresh ginger and add it to the water. Stir the mixture well and let it sit for a few minutes to allow the flavors to blend. The tangy lemon combined with the warm, spicy ginger creates a drink that's not only soothing but also supports your body's detoxification process. This simple remedy helps to eliminate toxins and energizes you, making it an excellent choice for your morning routine or as a midday pick-me-up. 5. Apple cider vinegar. Drink apple cider vinegar, ACV, has been praised for its various health benefits, and when it comes to kidney health, it's no exception. This drink is easy to make and packed with natural detoxifying properties that can help your body maintain a balanced pH and eliminate toxins. To make this drink, add 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar to a glass of water. To soften the strong taste of vinegar, stir in about a teaspoon of honey. Not only does the honey add sweetness, but it also brings its own health benefits to the mix. Drinking apple cider vinegar regularly can support your digestion, maintain a healthy pH balance, and boost your immune system. This simple drink can work wonders when it comes to keeping your kidneys clean and supporting overall health. 4. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is a well-known drink for promoting urinary tract health, and it's an excellent choice when you're looking to support kidney function as well. It's rich in antioxidants and compounds that help prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. To enjoy this drink, opt for pure, unsweetened cranberry juice. You can dilute it with a little water if you find the taste too tart. Cranberry juice is particularly beneficial for kidney health because it helps prevent infections and bacteria from damaging your kidneys. Drinking cranberry juice regularly is an easy and natural way to support your urinary system and maintain healthy kidney function. 3. Beetroot and carrot juice. Moving on to a drink that's not only vibrant in color but also loaded with nutrients, beetroot and carrot juice. This drink is a powerhouse when it comes to detoxifying the body and supporting kidney health. To make this juice, peel a fresh beetroot and a couple of carrots. Cut them into smaller pieces, add them to a blender, and blend with a splash of water until you get a smooth, refreshing juice. The natural sweetness of the carrots combined with the earthy flavor of the beetroot makes this drink both delicious and nourishing. Beetroot is known for its ability to improve blood flow and support liver detox, while carrots are rich in beta-carotene and other nutrients that boost your immune system. Drinking beetroot and carrot juice regularly helps flush out toxins, improve kidney function, and provide your body with a natural energy boost. However, be mindful that beetroot contains oxalates, which in some individuals can contribute to kidney stones. If you have a history of kidney stones, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider before making this drink a regular part of your routine. 2. Green tea. Green tea is a beloved beverage with numerous health benefits, including its ability to support the body's natural detox processes. Packed with antioxidants, green tea helps to protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation. To prepare, steep 1 green tea bag or a teaspoon of loose green tea leaves in hot water for about 3 to 5 minutes. The gentle, earthy flavor of green tea is perfect for a calming and refreshing break during your day. You can enjoy it warm, or cool it down for a refreshing iced tea. Drinking green tea regularly can help keep your kidneys and overall body functioning at their best. It's a simple and natural way to support your body's detoxification system while enjoying a soothing beverage. 1. Dandelion root tea. Finally, our top recommendation is dandelion root tea, a natural herbal remedy that has been used for generations to support kidney health. Dandelion root tea is known for its potent detoxifying properties and its ability to help cleanse the body naturally. To prepare this tea, bring a cup of water to a boil and reduce it to a simmer. Add 1 or 2 teaspoons of dried dandelion root, you can find this in most health food stores, and let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. The resulting brew will have a slightly bitter, earthy taste. Regular consumption of dandelion root tea supports your kidneys by encouraging the elimination of excess fluids and toxins. It also promotes liver health, making it a double-duty drink for overall detoxification. Dandelion root tea can be a great addition to your health routine, but as with any new supplement, consult with your healthcare provider to make sure it's right for you. And there you have it, 7 incredible drinks that can help detox your kidneys and promote overall health. These drinks are simple, natural, and easy to incorporate into your daily routine, providing your body with the hydration and support it needs to stay clean and energized. Remember, while these drinks can help your kidneys, it's important to listen to your body and consult with your healthcare provider if you have any concerns or pre-existing conditions. By adding these drinks to your daily routine, you're taking a big step towards maintaining optimal kidney health and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends or family who might benefit from a natural detox boost. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more science-backed health tips that are easy to follow. Your support means a lot to us, and we're excited to bring you more valuable advice for living a healthier lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health and well-being. Let's cheers to a cleaner, revitalized body.